You know, if I had one wish, I'd love to be 21 today. Putting aside the obvious reasons why you want to be 21 because you're younger and all of that, my God, the world is full of opportunity. Your customer isn't the guy down your street, it's the whole effing world.
A lot of young people, I mean, I hear it a lot that people say, oh, it was so much easier to be in business 30 years ago. You know, it was easier to buy property, it was cheaper, and it was easy to open a shop or a restaurant. What do you say back to that?
They were saying that 30 years ago. Nothing, I promise you, it's just, it's a cop-out. Yeah, it's as hard today as it was then. If I grab one of those kids who tells me how hard it was, and I give them my equivalence of that situation, they'll realise how easy they've got it today. It's not any harder. You've just got to find the opportunity. If you think it's too hard, you're not looking hard enough for the opportunity.
And at the same time, I remember when I started 10, 12 years ago, that the cost of websites have come down so much. You know, I can go and have my office in the middle of Colmore Road, just down the road from here in WeWork, and have a hot desk for 150 quid a month. I don't have to have a whole, with the internet and the address and everything like that. You can employ people from around the world at a touch of a button. And I think people have to recognise that there's so much opportunity that's come with the technology and the ability to remote work.
Do you know, if I had one wish, I'd love to be 21 today. Putting aside the obvious reasons why you want to be 21 because you're younger and all of that, my God, the world is full of opportunity. Your customer isn't the guy down your street, it's the whole effing world. As you say, you can set up for nothing